Axxair 200, doing a test weld on H5mm OD pipe or tube, water cooled machine. These machines will take other heads like AMI, Orbitalum, ESAB and Polysoude, possibly some others. Very easy machine to set up and use. Nice and compact. This machine will be serviced, added to the website. We've actually got 4 of these in stock, and we've also the new model, I believe it's the 201 or 210. We also hire these out if required. Various different heads. We have the 40 in stock, the 65 and also the 115. Open heads for fusion available. This model doesn't take the wire feed, but there is some in the range that does. Or to go on the program, I think 4 levels. Yeah, final level now. Nice to have controls on the torch. Again, on these, they're single phase, I believe auto switching, 1110 and 220 to 240. As you can probably gather, the collets are slightly oversized or pipe slightly undersized. Unfortunately, that's all we had to hand. I'd see more on this and request prices. Go on westermans.com and request prices for new or used Axxair machines. Also prep tools and beveling machines from TIG and Axxair and other manufacturers. Print out, just going now. Quick look. This is giving the readout for your records. Also can be stored on a USB. Thank you for looking.